Are you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle? Feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up? This isn't about luck. It's about actionable steps. Discover the secrets to breaking free. Learn proven strategies to build wealth and achieve financial independence. This isn't just theory. It's practical advice you can implement today. Uncover the mindset shifts that unlock financial success. Get ready to reclaim control of your financial future. Stop the cycle. Start thriving. Financial struggles are a common experience, impacting countless lives. Many feel trapped in a cycle of debt and limited opportunities. This isn't about luck. It's about understanding the foundational elements. We'll explore the mindset shifts necessary for breaking free. From budgeting and debt management to investing and building an emergency fund, we'll equip you with practical tools. Relatable examples will illustrate how these strategies work in real-world scenarios. Get ready to transform your financial future, one step at a time. Understanding these fundamentals is key to long-term success. Ready to take control of your finances? Subscribe now and join the conversation. Your feedback and comments are crucial. Let's learn together and build a stronger financial future. Share your experiences and questions below. Start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. First, define your financial goals. Are you aiming for debt freedom, building an emergency fund, or investing for retirement? Clarity is key. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending. Example: dining out less, choosing cheaper alternatives. Prioritize savings. Even small amounts add up. Consider an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safeguards against unexpected events. Common question: I have debt. Where do I start? Prioritize high-interest debts. Explore debt consolidation or balance transfers. Finally, educate yourself. Read books, attend workshops, and learn about investing. These practical steps, combined with a proactive mindset, pave the way to financial freedom. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Consistent effort is crucial. Imagine a sudden job loss. No income, mounting bills, and a looming sense of panic. This is a turning point where financial preparedness becomes critical. Without a safety net, the struggle intensifies. This stark reality highlights the importance of understanding steps to force your way out of poverty. An emergency fund, built through disciplined savings, can cushion the blow of unexpected events. Consider this: a significant medical expense or a car repair can quickly deplete savings if you aren't prepared. This is where proactive financial planning becomes paramount. The pivotal moment isn't just about avoiding emergencies. It's about seizing opportunities. Imagine the possibilities if you had the financial freedom to pursue a new career or start a business. Understanding the steps to break free from the cycle of poverty isn't just about surviving. It's about thriving. Procrastination can create a cycle of financial hardship. Act now. The time to build a strong financial foundation is today. Understanding your financial situation is the first step. Track your income and expenses meticulously for a month. Categorize spending: housing, food, transportation, entertainment. This reveals areas for potential savings. Example: if dining out frequently represents a significant portion of your budget, explore budget-friendly alternatives like cooking at home more often. This detailed analysis provides a clear picture of your spending habits. Next, prioritize essential expenses. Housing, food, and utilities are non-negotiable. Allocate funds for these first. Then, consider savings and debt repayment. A common mistake is prioritizing wants over needs. Reframe your spending habits to align with your financial goals. Start small. A $10 weekly savings contribution can make a substantial difference over time. The key is consistency. Small, consistent actions compound over time. The foundation for financial freedom begins with understanding your spending and prioritizing your financial needs. A common challenge is impulsive spending. Strategies to overcome this include setting spending limits, using cash instead of credit, and delaying purchases for 24 hours. Example: instead of buying that new shirt right away, wait 24 hours. If you still want it after that, you've given yourself time to reconsider. Another obstacle is dealing with high-interest debt. Prioritize paying down those debts. Debt consolidation or balance transfers can lower interest rates. Example: if you have multiple credit cards with high interest rates, consider consolidating them into one loan with a lower rate. Building an emergency fund is essential. Start small, even $20 a week. Automate transfers to a dedicated savings account. This consistency builds a crucial safety net. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Adjust your strategies as needed. The key is persistence. Financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Investing is crucial for long-term financial growth. Even small, consistent investments compound over time. Consider a diversified portfolio. Research different investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Example: start with a low-cost index fund that tracks the overall market. Diversification reduces risk. Financial literacy is key. Attend workshops or read books on personal finance. Seek professional advice when needed. A financial advisor can help create a personalized investment strategy. Case study: a young professional, Sarah, started investing $50 per month in a low-cost index fund. After 10 years, her investment had grown significantly, exceeding her initial expectations. This demonstrates the power of consistent investment. Another crucial aspect is networking. Connect with other financially savvy individuals. Learn from their experiences and seek mentorship. Building a support system is essential. These advanced strategies, combined with consistent effort, can significantly accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. The next step is understanding how to leverage these strategies for maximum impact. Research consistently demonstrates the correlation between financial literacy and improved financial well-being. Studies show that individuals with a strong understanding of personal finance are more likely to achieve financial stability and reduce the risk of falling into poverty. A recent report by the Federal Reserve highlights the significant impact of debt on financial well-being. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, hindering progress towards financial freedom. Consider this: a family struggling with credit card debt often finds it difficult to save for emergencies or invest for the future. Understanding these financial realities is crucial for breaking the cycle. Expert financial advisors consistently emphasize the importance of budgeting and saving. These fundamental principles are the bedrock of any successful financial plan. Building an emergency fund, even a small one, can provide a safety net during unexpected life events. This proactive approach can prevent financial crises and foster a sense of security. The implications of understanding these steps are far-reaching, impacting not just individual well-being, but also community prosperity. So, you're still wondering how to actually do these steps. Let's address some common questions. How much should I save each month? A good rule of thumb is 10 to 20% of your income. What if I have a lot of debt? Prioritize high-interest debts and explore consolidation options. I'm scared of investing. Start small and diversify. An expert might suggest index funds as a good entry point. Remember, consistent effort is key. Don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. Think of it like building a house. You lay one brick at a time and eventually you have a beautiful structure. It's the same with finances. Each step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. These actionable insights are crucial for turning your financial aspirations into reality. Don't just read. Act. The journey to financial freedom begins now. Let's recap. Understanding your spending, prioritizing needs, and building an emergency fund are foundational. Consistent saving, debt management, and informed investing are crucial. These aren't just theoretical concepts. They're practical steps you can take today. The benefits are clear: financial security, reduced stress, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. Now, what's the next step for you? Start by tracking your spending for a week. Identify areas where you can cut back. Set a realistic savings goal. Small steps, consistently applied, yield significant results. Don't wait. Take action now. Share your progress and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Breaking free from poverty isn't about overnight riches. It's about consistent effort and a proactive mindset. It's about understanding the power of small, daily choices. It's about building a strong foundation for a brighter future. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to financial freedom. This journey is yours to create. Don't just watch. Do. Apply these insights. Share your experiences and continue exploring personal finance. What are your next steps? Let's support each other on this path to financial empowerment. Your journey begins now.